ready to polish some helicopters. This is the first ever Aviation Detailing Association certification class that's been hosted here at the RUPES BigFoot Academy. So we're really proud of this partnership that we have with the ADA, and Josh and his crew are doing an amazing job.
Around us we have close to 20 individuals from all over the country that flew in to have this amazing course that we're putting on alongside with the collaborative efforts of RUPES. There's a huge demand and need to start elevating standardizing aircraft detailing, and that's the whole purpose of what we have going on. From rotorcraft to fixed wing aircraft, old, new, big, small. We go over all the details of different aircraft substrates, different types of paint, aviation insurance, product usage, the importance of using aviation grade chemicals, lead generation, how to get the customers, keep the customers. We cover it all.
We are applying our BigFoot D-A polishing system. We've done a test spot, we prime pads. They're dialed in, they're doing the polishing, removing scratches, removing oxidation, shining up this paint, and preparing it for that paint protection package.
The quality of the tools is second to none. It's high quality, as well as the compounds and the consumables that they offer, the pads. It's a easy to use, easy to learn system that works great with aircraft paint.
These students are learning a whole bunch, and they're getting this important accreditation, this important certification that you need when you're detailing aircraft.
These are top-of-the-line trainers. This class has been amazing. The hands-on, the instructors are absolutely phenomenal.
RUPES has really good tools and good products that you can use on your aircrafts, cars, boats. I mean, it is amazing.
I tell you, the ADA class was excellent. Josh does a great job hosting in class. We're partners with them with the Details Roundtable. If you have the opportunity to come out, the camaraderie you get here, the contacts you make is invaluable.
We'll be fine.
This is going to be my new way to get my lunch every day. I'll be his wingman anytime. I feel the need for speed. It's about 5,000 RPM.